Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to send a secure email attachments in Gmail. So firstly, let's go to Gmail first. Now compose a mail and write a mail here. Choose the recipient or write the email address here. Then you have to write your subject. Now in the body write your message. Now in here, in this section, you'll find attach files. Click on attach file. If you want to attach multiple file, you have to choose the file first. Then again you have to click on this, choose the second file. Okay, this is how you can choose the multiple file. Now if you want to send it securely, you have to click on this lock icon. Click on this lock icon and you'll find here this expiration date: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 5 years. I'm choosing 1 week. That's mean after this, before this 1 week, he cannot, recipients won't have the enough option to forward, copy, print, or download this mail. Okay, so after 1 week he can do this. Before 1 week he cannot do this. Okay, so after click on SMS passcode, click on save. Now if you click on send, you have to put here your country code, and then you have to put here the number. After putting the number, click on send. After clicking on send, the mail will be sent to that recipient, and recipient have to uh, press the number, and then he will get a confirmation code. And then if the confirmation code has been sent to that specific box like this, and he can open this file, otherwise not. Okay, but if you choose it to like this confidential but no SMS passcode, then if you click on save and then click on send, it will send to that specific person. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.